I travel all over the country to all the different gift markets, home decor markets, and it's just a pleasure to see so many of the main vendors here now in Las Vegas coming to this market. It's much more convenient for us. You normally have to go to Atlanta or Dallas. This market in particular, many more of the main vendors here that I usually visit when I go to the other shows. So it's great to see their product, and a lot of them have expanded showrooms too here. I think they've got a little more space in their showroom, so they're able to show a lot more product. And I think it's just a wonderful addition to the rest of the furniture market that we have here already going on in Las Vegas.
I think this market is very easy to navigate. It's in a city it's very easy to get to. Having the three buildings here, I think they do a very good job of making the buyers and the exhibitors feel very welcome. It's simple. You have a wide range of quality products to promotionally priced products. You have home accessories, candles to case goods. So everything's really here that any buyer I think would want. If you have a gift store, a stationery store, if you have a full, large, 30,000 square foot furniture store.
So you have a lot of furniture and home, and as well as a lot of the gift, and it's a nice market where we're all open at the same time with all the three buildings, and you're able to shop for not only just gift, but little knickknacks or props you might want to have in the stores, and I think it also opens the door for some of these furniture stores to carry a little bit of gift. Not everything's going to apply, but maybe they can find something here or there that can improve their store. I think there's a certain vibe in Las Vegas. There's an excitement to the city. There's lots of restaurants. There's lots of hotels. There's lots of entertainment. So there's a lot to do after the show. Even during the show, there's drinks on the floors. There's fire pits and couches out in the courtyard there where you can go just have a drink or have a private conversation. And like I said, there's an overall vibe of excitement.
I love the Las Vegas market because it's definitely different than the other trade shows, and coming and seeing what's offered here is a whole new enlightenment. The one great thing about this show is it brings that West Coast buyer that doesn't attend other markets and brings them to Vegas.
Well, this market seems to be a little bit nicer because you've got a lot of gifty stuff, and that was one of the problems with most of the furniture shows, is that they have normally just furniture and not gift items, whereas most furniture places sell gift items and furniture.
The high end in Las Vegas has always been a point of concern for us in running the market, that we didn't have a proportionate display of higher end products. And so we've worked really hard to attract those companies that whether they're upholstery companies or accessory companies or wood products companies, so we could be a complete home furnishings market. The upper end probably in the West was more impacted by the recession than the mainstream market, so we're seeing a rebounding of that, but it makes us a whole market, literally a perfect destination for the whole home.
I think the caliber of vendors is really great. On this floor, this new C3 floor, it's such a great family, community of vendors that have come together. I love the building. The building's great. I mean, the ceilings, we have 20-foot ceilings here, so we can really do a lot of things that we can't do maybe in our other showrooms. The display abilities here are great. The facilities are great. I mean, it's new, exciting, and we're in Vegas.